Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Murti Ayu as Lecturer of Critical Speaking and also I'm proud of all my friends. May you always be given health and smoothness in carrying out your activities. Amin. We from Group 6 Class 4C English Department will carry out the Critical Speaking Final Exam Debate. The motion that our group worked up was digital books are better than handwriting. Previous introduced Group 6 consists of me, Eva Suryati as moderator, and for the government team, namely Ainina Amanda Putri as first speaker, Anissa Kinanti as second speaker, Cynthia Apriska as third speaker, and Eva Suryati as triple speech for government team. And for the opposition team, namely Muhammad Abdu as first speaker, Jahratul Fadila as second speaker, and Ridho Hidayatullah as the third speaker and also as a reply speech. Okay, the next session is the presentation of argument from the first speaker government team. Ainina Amanda Putri, time is yours.
All right, thank you, Eva. This house believes that digital writing is better than handwriting. Digital writing is writing that takes place in digital or virtual spaces such as blogging, digital storytelling, word processing, cloud-based writing, and more. Digital writing has some obvious pros. It helps us to access our notes anytime, anywhere, and it can be more detailed and complete than handwriting, when mostly it's just the most important information that we wrote. Also, we can search our notes easily on our smartphone, laptop, or PC, and it is definitely not complicated and worth the time. And in addition, a study by Dahlstrom and Bostrom in 2017 disclosed that digital writing students were more interactive as compared to handwriting students who were science workers. We can explore the world globally through the internet to help our writing assignments and such, and it can broaden our connection, particularly when we read blogs and post on social media platforms. And we can communicate with our audience through their comments and feedback. So in short, is writing that can help us assess our notes anytime, and it can be more detailed. And the students who handwrite their notes tend to be more interactive than handwriting students who were often be silent workers. That's all my argument. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Nina. And the next is the first speaker, opposition team, Muhammad Abduh. Time is yours.
Okay. Also, digital writing is a key for skill for the future. Mastery of handwriting has its own effect on the body. According to Edward Gentas, a professor of psychology at the University of Geneva, handwriting is a complex activity that requires multiple skills. In simple terms, handwriting is a result of single unique whole body movement. The reason someone needs time to able to write by hand, you need to learn how to hold pencil properly, memorize different letters, so that you can write word for word well. This is the biggest difference compared to you if type using keyboard. In contrast to writing, the typing motion is always the same, regardless the letter, which is only limited to pressing a key. In fact, motor skills that are honed to by writing are needed, especially when someone is still a child, and based on research conducted by Muller and Oppenheimer, so that in handwriting, a person will be able to remember the information he wrote better. Because when writing in his hand, it encourages the brain to work more in terms of motor and intellectual process in understanding information. Thank you. That's all from me.
Okay, thanks, Abdul. Next is the second speaker from the government team, Anissa Kinanti. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Eva. Well, digital writing is better than handwriting because it makes it easier. For example, develop skill using technological tools. build relationship with others to purpose and solve problems, design and share information for a global community that has a variety of purposes. Release and synthesis several measures at once the information profit. And not only that, digital writing can also help increase student familiarity by using different applications and applications that support certain genres. Support student is understanding different digital anatomy critically engage students by using communication media, promote understanding of writing and technology as complex tools. I think enough from me.
Okay, thanks, Kinan. Next is the second speaker from the opposition team, Zahratul Fadila. Time is yours.
Thank you, Eva, as a moderator. And I disagree with the speaker two from the government team. You said that digital writing can help increase student familiarity by using application. But unfortunately, not every student can access that application, especially for students who live in out of network coverage or student who doesn't have device and media to access it. Thus, students will have difficulties. In other hand, digital writing affects student memory skills. Students who often do handwriting on paper tend to be better able to understand concepts and have a better memory of what is written. This is known though a study conducted by researchers from Princeton University and the University of California, Los Angeles, United States. The end result, students who write on paper are more likely to have shorter, more organized notes. In addition, they are more capable likely to making graphs or diagrams than students who are typing. So, students who understanding of writing by hand is better. That's all from me.
Okay, thanks, Lala. Next, the third speaker from the government team, Cynthia Priska. Time is yours, Cynthia.
All right, thank you, moderator. I have to disagree with the speakers from the opposition team. They argue that digital writing affects students' memory skill. I disagree with the motion that handwriting is better than digital writing. The speakers from the opposition team stated that digital writing affects students' memory skill, which I disagree with because handwriting takes more time than digital writing. When writers write in such a hurry, for example, when they are taking notes from a lecture, writers tend to lose focus and get left behind from what the lecturer said. According to Mueller and Oppenheimer from 2014, students who wrote by hand produced the least number of words rather than students who wrote digitally. Instead, with digital writing, writers can write as fast as the lecturer going. With precision, more organized, and with better control of typos or writing errors. With that, writers will have complete and comprehensive notes or writings that they can go back to anytime they want. The result of that writing will be more organized and ordered as the writer wants to, rather than writings that were written by hand. The strength of memory also plays a role in how someone can recall or notes or writing. When someone have a weak memory, they will have a hard time in recalling material, even with handwriting. The opposition team also stated that writers that use handwriting are more capable of making graphs or diagrams than students who are typing. We fail to agree with that argument because visual with handwriting is more difficult than digital writing. Note-taking or writing apps and software that supports digital writing nowadays have given many advantages to writers, including visuals, graphs, or diagrams. The writer simply have to put the visual into the digital paper without worrying it to be not presentable. The visuals such as frames, charts, diagram, tables is easy to insert or to put into the digital paper. That is why this house believes that digital writing is better than handwriting. That is all from me. I give it back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thanks Cynthia. Next is the third speaker from the opposition team, Rido Hidayatullah. Time is yours, Rido.
All right, thank you, moderator. Although digital writing can be faster, but writing by hand can also hone motor skills. Handwriting also provides health benefits. Writing is a powerful way to express feelings for everything they are going through. According to study published in the journal Advance in Pediatric Treatment, the benefits of handwriting are not only experienced in the short term, but also in the long term. The reason is people who have the habit of writing manually have been known to have improved overall body health, starting from an increase in mood as well as body functions such as better lungs and liver. In our brain, there are reticular activating system cells, RAS, which are responsible for filtering and sorting the information we receive from the most important to the least important. We can use the way RAS works by writing a manual or handwriting. This is where the brain works to help us focus more on prioritizing which part we do first, compared to typing via smartphone or laptop, where there are so many distractions that stop by to disturb our concentration. To focus to write by hand will gain a better conceptual understanding, which means being able to better define what they are getting instead of just writing what they receive. That's all from me. I return to moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thanks Rido. And the next is to replay the speech of the opposition team. Rido Hidayatullah, time is yours.
Conclusion is, writing by hand is not only about how fast they catch vocabulary, but also has to understand the words they receive. That's why I say writing by hand is more important than writing digitally. That's all from me. I return to moderator. Thank you.
Okay, next is to reply the speech of the government team. We believe digital writing is better than handwriting. Digital writing is writing that takes place in digital or virtual space, such as blogging, digital storytelling, word processing, code-based writing, and more. Digital writing has some obvious pros. It helps us to access our notes anytime and anywhere. Also, we can search for our notes easily on our smartphone, laptop, or PC, and it is definitely not complicated and worth the time. Digital writing is better than handwriting because it makes it easier. For example, develop skill by using technological tools, build relationship with others to purpose and solve problems, designing and share information for a global communicate that has a various purpose, analyzing and synthesize several measures at the information provided. With that, writers will have complete and comprehensive notes or writing that they can go back to anytime they want. The result of the writing will be more organized and ordered as the writer want to rather than writings that were written by hand. Okay, thanks to Group 6 for the debate. I'm Eva Suryati as moderator. Sorry if there are many mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.